everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're upgrading the Parrot Girl's tank. I thought I'd give you guys a little step-by-step action. Alright, we got the tank filling up. Here's a little walk-by shot for you guys. Now it's time to acclimate the Parrot Girl. Now I'm putting the Parrot Girl inside the tank. I'm going to let her swim out of the container on her own free will. This will show me that the temperature is right, the water is right, and she's feeling comfortable to go right in. And voila, she found it. She's feeling good. Now, I'm not done with this tank. This is just me bringing it home for the first night and setting it up. The next day, I'm looking around trying to find a place to put some plants, and voila! I had to acquire the help of the chonkers to get some live plants. So this is guppy nahas and some dragonstone I'm using. I love how the guppy grass fluffs out once you put it back in the water. Now I know what you're thinking, and I thought it too once I took a step back and took a look. So now I need the help of my green lantern platies for some nice healthy trimmings of some good old hornwort. Now this hornwort is actually for the 2 dragonstones I put on each end of the tank. Now, I fixed the centerpiece, guys, and honestly, I think it's looking fantastic, and I think the Parrot Girl likes it too. Well, I appreciate all of you guys that stayed until the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like and a follow, because I'll be doing another tank setup for my angelfish. Anyways, have a wonderful day, guys.